Forecast from meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Happy Saturday weekend. Kind of going to be split between today and what we're going to see out there tomorrow. So for now, a very warm day already, close to 70, 67 is the current temperature in Freeport, 65 here. Same with Rochelle, 63, a little cooler over in Galena. We do have the potential for seeing a couple strong to severe thunderstorms later in the day and then snow even tomorrow. So severe weather to snow, the potential is there for both. But you can see we have cleared out nicely from the very thick cloud cover we started this morning off with. We have blue returning to the skies, sunshine. That is a key ingredient that could help fuel some storms later in the day, though. With the latest Storm Prediction Center outlook came out about an hour ago, still has our entire area under a marginal risk. They did shift the slight a little bit further south, kind of along I-80 and southward. So areas like St. Louis are included in the level 3 out of 5, so still a low risk across the state line. I do think damaging winds potentially could be there and some smaller hail. Those would be our primary threats. That's not with this line of storms and showers that's firing off here. It was producing lightning at one point in time. These are going to continue to break up a little bit, though, as they continue to travel further close to the state line. And once they do get across the area, I don't think we're talking about much rain with this. Definitely not going to be widespread. Just a few stray showers initially in the early or late morning hours into the early afternoon. But then the main line that could pose some severe threat, that's going to be later in the day. Our window kind of opens up maybe as early as about 6-7 p.m. I'm thinking probably 7-8 p.m. for areas that are southwest of Rockford. That's going to then continue to travel closer to the Rockford area, probably by about 9-10 p.m. and then continue to travel northeastward then by 10-11 for areas like Janesville and Walworth County, McHenry County, places like that. But isolated thunderstorm threats, that remains in the forecast even into early tomorrow morning. I do think this model is showing our temperatures falling a little bit faster than what I think will actually happen. We're still probably going to be in the lower 50s in a lot of locations at this point in time. Might be a little bit cooler west of here as that cold front does move in, though, but that does kind of leave a chance for isolated thunderstorms. A couple of those could still be stronger, but our time frame roughly kind of runs from 6 p.m. until about midnight or 1 a.m. for the entire state line then for today, this evening into early tomorrow morning. And then some light snow showers do trickle in with that cooler air being pulled in behind that low pressure system. I don't think we're talking about an accumulation much across the state line just because our ground temperatures and levels have been so warm that if we do see the snow, that might accumulate on rooftops, grassy surfaces, just mainly elevated surfaces. Even grassy surfaces are going to be kind of warm compared to what we have been seeing out there, with temperatures did reach the lower 80s in the past couple of days and likely reaching the lower 80s again today. So not too worried about this and slick spots out there, but we could see a little bit of snowflakes. Just note that as we head. So definitely a big change between Saturday and Sunday, what we'll see both halves of the weekend, with temperatures, like I said, very close to the 80-degree mark today. Some places might stay in the upper 70s, but 70s, 80s ahead of this cold front. Behind the cold front, though, we're only talking about the 40s and 50s. So although tomorrow's high is going to be 54, that's what I placed us for. That's going to be achieved initially much earlier in the day after midnight into the early morning hours. By the time we usually reach our daytime high around 4 p.m. in the afternoon, that's actually going to fall to about 40 or so degrees. So Tom, we go from 80 today with the potential for some stronger storms to some light snow showers, little accumulations, to a high down to 40 at 4 p.m. So that's a 40-degree drop.
We're just going to have to savor the sunshine today. Thank you, Savannah. Nintendo fans got another look at the upcoming Zelda game coming to the Switch. Take a look.